The weather was changing fast in the Andes, but luckily we were positioned right in front of a special hummingbird as the rain intensified. The sword-billed hummingbird has the longest relative bill size of any bird. We were so grateful to get a unique hummingbird, performing such a captivating behavior where we could film it to the best of our abilities. As I looked through the footage on our cameras, I knew I wanted to create a cinematic sequence showcasing this remarkable animal enjoying the chance to shower. We climbed up an elevation into the Paramo habitat, where I had the most incredible wildlife experience I've ever had.